Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a butt ton of beauty related content, mainly makeup tutorials, which is what you're about to see. Today we're just doing a really simple brown smoky eye with some neutral face and a neutral lip. Very, very simple. I'm heading off to work today. I'm on the floor. I'm really excited. So I wanted to just be comfortable in what I'm wearing. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
Starting off with a Hyperreal Serumizer. Guys, do your skincare first before you do your eyes. Give it time to sit. Honestly, it helps so much. On top of that, I'm putting the balm down. I love these two in combination with each other. They just sit so well on my skin. I'm going to use some Fix Plus Magic Radiance so that can sink in. Moving on to my eyes as usual, taking 24-hour eye base, putting that all over my lid and into my eyebrows, and then I'm using the Maybelline Super Lock Brow Gel to set my brows in place. I really like this formula, but the brush is just too flimsy for how fast the product sets. For eyeshadows, we're going in with Quarry, and this is going to go on a fluffy brush into the crease. I am taking that slowly and softly and building it up. I really want to blow it all out. Then I'm going to take Princess of Soul to darken out that crease, focusing more on the outer edge with that same fluffy brush. So I'll go back and forth between the two shades, making sure not to put too much product in because I do want to have a soft blend out. And I will change brushes back and forth as well to help diffuse that. Then I'm going to take Quarry again, and I'm just going to buff that all over the lid. Then I'm taking Santa's Slippers. It's like a shimmery black, kind of like a black grey. Charcoal grey, maybe. And I'm popping that just in the outer half of the crease and softly blending that in. I want that to be the base for the black that we're going to be using. This Black Track gel eyeliner. It dries so fast. So if you're going to use this as your eyeliner and you want to use it to blend out and things like that, do it piece by piece. Otherwise you will find you'll get the first bit blended and then the second part it'll be set and you won't be able to blend it. So just take it slowly, small amounts and thin layers so it doesn't get cakey, and then use your brush to blend it out straight away. I used an angle brush to apply it and a stiff dome brush to blend it. The stiff bristles really helped to move the product where I needed to before it dried, and then I'm going over the top with Quarry and the other shades back and forth so that there's a nice blend. And then I'm using a wipe to clean up and create that really sharp edge. Of course, you could always use sticky tape. My eyes are different shapes, and I find that tape makes it extremely hard for me to get them even, so I tend to just blow it out and like clean it up and wipe it away best I can. So skincare has sat long enough. I'm going in with the Radiance Primer just all over the skin. And then I'm going in with this cream contour. This is from She Glam. I think it's called Fawn. It's just a cool tone going around the perimeter of my face and blending that in with a flat top brush. This is from the OXX Cosmetics brush set. I don't mind this one, but I'm not a big fan of flat top brushes, but it did the job. Using a bit of Fix Plus Magic Radiance just in between layers. So I'm going to go in with one of the skin finishes. I think this is called Cherry Glaze maybe, and I'm just using that on the same brush that I applied, and I'm popping that over the top of where I popped the cream contour shade from She Glam. I really like how this looks under the skin. It doesn't go too shimmery, it doesn't make you look shiny, it just gives you that bit of life, like that inner glow. I'm going to use the Fast Response eye cream just because I use the wipe underneath my eyes and it takes away the skincare, so this really does help everything go back to normal under there, not so dry. Then I'm using the Glow Play blush in Ginger Luck, popping that on my cheeks and blending that into the products that we used. And then for my foundation, I'm using Studio Fix and Strobe Dewy Skin Tint, mixing them together and just tapping them on. So this brush it's kind of like I'd want to say like a angled dome, It's not a unique shape, but it's a nice shape. So I just use that to blend that all in, and then I go in with my Radiance concealer underneath my eyes. I do enjoy the Studio Fix concealer as well, but this one, especially in the summertime and the way that my eyes have aged, my under eyes have aged, it sits better. It doesn't, like, it sets, but it doesn't crinkle crease, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going in with another layer of Fix Plus Radiance and a sip of coffee, of course. Then we're going to go back in and reinforce all of our top products. So I'm using the NARS cream bronzer in, what's this called? Casino. And I'm using it kind of reminds me of the Real Techniques contour brush. This is all the OXX Cosmetics brush set. So then I'm going back in with Ginger Luck, just to add that shade back into the cheek combo. And then I'm taking, I believe this is Glacial, and I'm using that on the tops of my cheekbones. I've also been loving using the Lilac Haze. It's really pretty. So I'm going to set all of the creams and liquids in place with the Stay Over spray and use my mirror as a fan to set that in place. Then for powders, I'm using Give Me Sun bronzer and just warming up the perimeters of my face with that. I do like to let the Stay Over spray sit for a little while just so it's dry, so that I'm not mixing and moving things. But I'm just going in around my cheeks, around my forehead. Then I'm taking Warm Soul blush. This is one of my favorites, and this is a fluffy angled brush. I'm just using that to push that into the tops of my cheeks. And then on top of that, I'm going to take Hushed Tone. It's an Extra Dimension blush. It's a very similar shade to Warm Soul, but it's really pretty. And then I'm going to take Soft Frost, which is the purple reflectant highlighter that reminds me of Vellum. And then over the top of that, I'm taking Soft and Gentle Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Once all of those are on, I'm just going to go in with a bit of loose powder. This is the Lilac powder. I use that underneath my eyes. And then I take the skin tone one that I have just on the rest of my face to set all over in the places that haven't had any powder product on them. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Nightstone eyeliner. This came out with the Nocturna collection. I don't know if it's still available, but even just putting a black or even a cream or the coffee pencil would be good too. Then I'm taking this lip glazer liner and just nude lip gloss, and that is the face finish. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of these quick little makeup tutorials. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.